Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fish with clay. Gather clay, tools, and a reference photo, then condition clay by kneading until soft. Start by planning size and pose, then build a simple armature for stability. Block out the main shapes with larger clay pieces, keeping proportions true to your reference. Move from broad forms to smaller details and take short breaks to reassess your silhouette and flow. Start shaping the body by rolling a tapered cylinder that matches your planned size and pose. Create subtle muscle forms and a defined belly by pinching and smoothing with your fingers. Attach fins with thin slabs and blend seams using a needle tool for clean joins. Keep symmetry in mind, but allow small asymmetries for a natural look. Regularly refer to your photo to maintain correct proportions and flow. Add details like eyes, scales, and texture after the main shape is done, using fine tools for precision. For realistic scales, press thin impressions or use a textured stamp, then soften edges with a small brush. After detailing, smooth areas with a tiny amount of isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush. Bake according to the clay instructions, cool completely, then paint and seal with a matte or glossy varnish for protection and shine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.